Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today we're going to learn how to clear the maintenance required light on a 2017 Toyota RAV4. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start the engine. And as you can see here, it says maintenance required soon. So what you'll do is you'll hit the back button. And then you'll head over to your vehicle settings, and then where it says scheduled maintenance, you want to enter there, and you just want to clear the data. So you press yes. And so it says the data has been reset. And generally these type of things that come up on your Toyota, they aren't really that necessary, like a check engine light. This is more just for you to come to the dealership so that they can pretty much charge you more money. So not completely necessary, but just good to know how to reset it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.